Hello, today we're going to learn about what you like and what you don't like. I like dogs. I don't like rain. In this video, I will say and you will repeat. I like. I like. I like. We use I like plus the thing or activity. I like pizza. I like swimming. Now let's look at I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. We use I don't like plus the thing or activity. I don't like spiders. I don't like work. Now, I want you to tell me if you like or if you don't like. I like or I don't like. I like cats. I like or I don't like. I don't like bananas. Wow, now you can say, I like, I don't like, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can see more videos to help you improve your English. See you next time.